This review is of Nature's Path Organic Flax Plus Multibran Flakes. It's an excellent source of ALA omega-3 and USDA organic, non-GMO. Let's see, is there anything else? They have other flavors. The ALA is from flax seeds, which are a very good source of omega-3. And I don't really see... Oh, they have an Enviro box. Quality guarantee. And here are the ingredients. And so it's vegetarian, nutrition facts, and it is kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's also been certified organic by QAI. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we think of it. All right. Seems like there are these nice flakes in here. They look like this. They are very slightly sweet. It definitely has a bran flavor to it. They're not bad, as long as you don't mind bran. If you don't have celiac disease or gluten intolerance, you probably will enjoy this. Unless you're looking for a sweetened cereal, this has only got a little bit of sugar in it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.